In today's video, we'll discuss how to set up Kroger Pay. Watch until the end of the video to learn more. First, open the Kroger app and sign in if you haven't already. Once you're signed in, tap the More option and select Kroger Pay. You will need to verify your account using your username and password. After verification, create a PIN for added security. Next, tap Add a debit or credit card and enter your card's information. Verify that your card information is accurate before proceeding. Kroger will then verify your information and set up Kroger Pay, which you'll use in store to streamline the checkout process. Unfortunately, Kroger Pay is not available for online purchases. This service is designed specifically for in-store use, and it speeds up the checkout process by allowing you to scan a QR code on your phone. To access Kroger Pay while shopping, there are multiple ways to do so. You can open your Kroger app and tap More, then navigate to Kroger Pay. Alternatively, you can use voice commands to open Kroger Pay. You can also select the Kroger Pay quick link on the Kroger mobile app. Lastly, you can click on Kroger Pay in your digital wallet. So there you have it. That's how you set up Kroger Pay. Thanks for watching.